Good morning. I'm John.
I'm Wanda.
We are the Drifters. Please come in. We'll give you a tour.
Okay.
Sweetheart. It's a diamond in the rough. It's a 1988 Thomas West Coaster with a tandem rear end in it. And we're rustic camping at this point. But she's got everything she needs. She's got a microwave generator underneath. She's got the air conditioner running. So we've got coffee pot. So she's comfortable. She's happy. We're just living the dream, and we're part-timers, but looking to be full-timers soon. But our intentions with the bus are 2 7-foot couches on each side that pull out into a king size, so family and friends. And then I'm going to raise the roof, Volkswagen on top for all my plants, observation deck, and then solar, lots of solar. As you come down through here, this will be the kitchen area, and we'll set that up. On this side, I'll end up with a breakfast nook, my wood bin, and a wood stove. Please come on back. And then in this area back in here, there'll be a bathroom. I'm going to cut the floor out. I'm going to drop a sheep trough to make a bathtub below the floor, and then the deck will flop down, so when you're taking a shower, all the water goes through. Sure. So when we're in a park hooked up and she wants to take a bath, she can.
There was somebody in Skoolies Nation that was asking about a sunken tub just yesterday.
Really?
Yeah, and I'm waiting to see if people ask that questions. You know, and by the way, this is being filmed in July before the scene, so and it's probably already been answered by the time this comes up on video.
We'll have to look for it, Skoolies Nation. Okay. So we're going to put in the bathroom here.
Sure.
The sink will be raised above the floor, and the tub will go under the sink for her feet. So we're utilizing that space.
Sure.
And then we'll put in a compost toilet back here. And then come on back. This is the big room. Right now we've got just the air conditioner and big, king size bed back here. We're going to eventually enclose all of this, have cabinets on both sides of the bed because we don't need the big bed. I have storage underneath. I'm going to put a 200-gallon diesel fuel tank under the bed, okay. A 200-gallon water under the bed. We'll have storage, and then we'll have the bed itself. On the right side where the air conditioner is in the future, it'll be 2 compartments. Top will be all the electrical, all the solar, it'll be the electrical cabinet. Sure. And then underneath I'll put all the plumbing. Filters, whatever it takes to get the plumbing up and running. So that'll be that cabinet, and then over on this wheel well, because I've got 2 wheel wells in this bus, over the wheel wells here we'll put the washer and dryer down below, and then up top I'll put drawers in here, and then a place to hang her clothes, the things she wants the clothes to hang up. But it's a diamond in the rough, and we're just grateful to be out here in the Skoolie community, meeting all of our other brothers and sisters that are doing what I dreamed of for years and years.
Yeah.
So
this is these gatherings are the kind of places where you get all kinds of ideas, which is why I do these videos. And I mean, we all start thinking, on my next bus. I mean, once you get this done, you're going to start saying, and I've changed. I always say, the Skoolies are never done, they're done-ish.
Right, exactly.
You're always going to be tweaking it and making it better. And
well, that's what I was telling Miss Wanda here, that our ideas and thoughts is what we want to do, but we may have to adjust it 6 inches one way or adjust it the other. Right. And once we get on the road, it may not be compatible for what we thought it was, so we'll change it out again. So you're absolutely right. It's done-ish.
The reason done. My pull-out pantry is 9 inches wide is I built the bed, and then I started at the front and worked back, and that 9 inches was what was left over.
What was left? Well, speaking of pantry, in the front, the wheel well, we're going to come up with a ramp this way. I'm going to put a subfloor of 10 inches in this bus, and then right up the middle will be cubby holes to put our pantry in the floor itself. So when I get done with this bus, we're hoping to be 6 months at a time grid-free, so we can get off the grid.
Sure.
But we'll have all the batteries. I was looking at the Battle-Born batteries. There'll be a bank of 9 down here that operate the solar system.
Yep.
So we're trying to grid-free it for 6 months at a time. The only issue is water. And when we do the roof raise, I'll take some white PVC. I was going to use black, and one of the Skoolies brothers and sisters here told us that he did the research, and there's a chemical change with the sun and the black pipe that's not good to drink. Okay, and I didn't know that. So
Didn't know that either.
So we're going to go with the white scheduled 40, probably 6 to 8 inches like this, and fill up before we go out for 6 months, and I'll have that extra 100 gallons, 150 gallons, whatever it works out to be, on the roof that's gravity fed, so we can take outdoor showers or rinse our feet off. But eventually we'd really like to go 6 months at a shot without being plugged in somewhere.
Sure. Sounds like you got a plan.
So been working on it, and I've got a wonderful lady right here that's on board with me. So
I look forward to catching up to you, and the next time we cross paths and seeing how you've changed.
Well, thank you very much, sir.
Yeah, thank you for the tour.
Thank you.
Hope you enjoyed the tour of that latest rig. I will have a new one next Saturday. Hit the subscribe button and hit the bell to be notified. So make sure you don't miss them. Lots of cool rigs coming up this year. See you down the road, my friends. Stay safe.